You can see this is 3 outlet cables. So one is already connected to the steam generator. So one of the connected to the kind of the computers cables like this, and another one is multiple functions. Almost most cables from the ceilings, which is fan, exhaust, and the lights, and this I'm just gonna find out why they have 4 connections. 伊这个4只头是指啥么子？4只啥头啊？
风水喇叭。
风水喇叭。灯。
还是背景灯。
Okay. The 4 cable, one for the glass lights on the background, ceiling lights, and exhaust fans and speakers, the radio speakers. So there's 4 cables. Okay. Some is extension cable. They can connect multiple cables. This hose there, almost you can go through all of the cable goes through the hose.